Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add income onto your account on YNAB. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the YNAB application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed forward with your email address and your password. After logging in, you will be taken into your current month's budget. Now, the first step in budgeting within this application is to add your income. In order to do this, you will need to add an account first. If you don't already have any account added, then you will not see this section at all. You will simply see the Add Account section at the homepage. You can tap on this, or you may go into the Account section and click on Add Account as well. From here, you can choose the linked option to automatically connect to your bank, if it is available within the Add Linked Account section. If you find your bank within, then you can simply tap on it and proceed forward to log in to your bank account. Once you agree and log in using your bank account credentials, you can choose your savings, your debit card, or your current account in order to automatically update your income info. If you choose the unlinked option, then you can enter your desired title, and within the account type section, you can choose from checking, your savings account, or your cash, which serves as your debit card account. Choose whichever account you wish to add, and then enter your current balance. After setting up your name and balance, as well as your account type, you can proceed forward, and now your income will be displayed in the budget section, and you can begin to assign your money to various different spending categories right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to add your income onto the YNAB application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.